We're living in a golden age of streaming. Content is everywhere. But the viewing experience? That can be a mixed bag. Tiny phone screens? Laptops that just don't cut it? We deserve better. Enter the LG CineBeam Q. This isn't just another portable projector. This is 4K, unleashed. It's about taking that cinematic quality anywhere. Get ready to redefine what movie night even means. For years, we've compromised. Portability often meant sacrificing resolution. Smart features? They were a bonus, not a given. But the CineBeam Q? It's different. It's about refusing to compromise. It's about merging sleek design with cutting-edge tech. It's about freedom. The freedom to watch what you want, where you want, without limitations. So, what makes the CineBeam Q special? Let's start with the heart of the matter: 4K resolution. We're talking about crisp details, vibrant colors that pop off the screen. Movies, shows, even gaming are simply breathtaking. But there's more to this story than just resolution. LG packed the CineBeam Q with smart features. Think built-in streaming services. No more messy HDMI cables or dongles. Just seamless access to all your favorites. And the design? It's pure class. The CineBeam Q sports a sleek, compact design. It's all about portability, about fitting seamlessly into your life. The rotating handle? Genius. It doubles as a stand, giving you the perfect viewing angle every time. Plus, setting up the CineBeam Q is a breeze. Automatic keystone correction and focus? Yes, please. No more fiddling with blurry images. Just point, shoot, and enjoy. Now, let's address the elephant in the room. The price. Yes, the CineBeam Q is a premium product, but here's the thing. You're investing in an experience. Think about it. A high-end TV with comparable features? It'll cost you a lot more. And don't even get me started on the lack of portability. Sure, some competitors offer cheaper portable projectors, but they often skimp on resolution or features. With the CineBeam Q, you're getting the complete package. And while we're at it, let's talk about that lack of a built-in battery. Is it a deal breaker? Not really. Most of the time, you'll be using the CineBeam Q at home or in a place with easy access to power. Plus, it means the projector itself is lighter and more portable. It's all about trade-offs, and for me, the CineBeam Q's strengths far outweigh this minor inconvenience. Imagine this. You're on vacation, renting a cozy cabin in the woods. You bring out the CineBeam Q, project a movie onto the cabin wall, and suddenly, you have your own private cinema. Or picture this. You're in a college dorm, craving a break from studying. Whip out the CineBeam Q, connect your gaming console, and boom, instant entertainment. The possibilities are endless. The LG CineBeam Q isn't just a projector. It's a gateway to experiences. It's about bringing people together, about sharing moments that matter. It's about turning any space into your own personal entertainment hub. So ditch the limitations of traditional screens. Embrace the future of entertainment. Embrace the LG CineBeam Q.